In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the reply to email in Mailchimp, step by step, so you can control where subscriber replies go and manage them more efficiently. This is really useful if you want to route replies into your Mailchimp inbox, keep your campaign responses organized, and make sure nothing important gets missed. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and sign into your Mailchimp account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This is where you'll find the email campaign you want to update. Find the campaign you want to work on, and then click Edit next to it. Now you'll be on the campaign preview page. In the top right corner, click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped menu that opens your campaign options. When you click it, the Settings and Tracking panel will appear. This panel contains the options you need to manage how replies are handled. Next, look for the option that says Use Inbox to manage replies. This is the key setting that controls where replies are sent. Turn on the checkbox or toggle next to it. Once this is enabled, replies from subscribers will be routed into your Mailchimp inbox instead of being left unmanaged. That makes it much easier to keep track of responses and reply from one central place. After that, you'll see an inbox link right below that setting. Click the inbox link to open your Mailchimp inbox in a new browser tab. This is where Mailchimp collects reply messages and organizes them for you. If the inbox doesn't open right away, make sure your browser allows new tabs or pop-ups from Mailchimp. Inside the Mailchimp inbox, you'll be able to see replies from your campaigns. On the left side, use the filters to sort through message types like all email marketing replies and contact form messages. This helps you quickly find the conversations you need without digging through everything manually. From there, just click any conversation to read the message and respond to your subscriber if needed. This is a great way to stay on top of customer questions, feedback, and follow-up messages from your campaigns. It also keeps your reply workflow simple and centralized inside Mailchimp. So, to recap, you sign into Mailchimp, open your campaign from Campaigns, go into Settings, enable Use Inbox to manage replies, and then open the inbox to view and manage replies. That's the process for changing the reply to email handling in Mailchimp using the inbox workflow. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp and email marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.